and Selenium takes position number 2. Now, before we go to position number 1, go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what is your favorite, or what do you think is going to be the number 1 web scraper in Java. A friend of mine yesterday was talking about how beautiful Jsoup can do all these nice things, in Python. And he was talking about how you can script any website, collect the data, and send it into like a spreadsheet, and then like you can monitor stocks and all those buzzwords. So I was like, I was pretty sure that Java had, a couple of libraries that can do that. And today, what we're going to be seeing is that the top 5 libraries that you can use to scrape any website in Java. And in position number 5, we have Jaunt. I'm pretty sure. Maybe you may be pronouncing it differently. So let's take a look at this library. Say it's actually an API. So let's see. I think it's Java Ant is a Java library for web scraping, web automation, and JSON querying. The library provides a fast, ultralight browser that is headless, i.e. no GUI, so you can do everything in the terminal and access the information that you want. And then they go ahead and show you how you can implement it and then fetch data. And then, I think over here they were getting links. Most libraries or APIs are going to be using these elements. Elements is like, getting the tags from the HTML. So that's in position number 5. I think this is a good API. You should take a look at it. And in position number 4, this is my favorite one. It is, I guess you guessed it, Jsoup. Jsoup, I think I recorded a video sometime back. It's in, you should look somewhere on the left or the right. I linked how, it's a tutorial how you can fetch data or scrape data from any website and then link into your documentation or spreadsheet or Excel sheet. So yeah, I have a video on how you can do that, and a bunch of people really liked it. You can, it's the downloads over here, so the documentation is really precise, straightforward, and clear. I'm pretty sure that if you take a look at that video that I uploaded, you will find it resourceful. I'll also take a look, create another video where you can scrape data using this API as well, but this so far is on the channel, and I'll link it in the description down below as well. So this is a nice one as well, and this is in position number 4. I feel like this is a nice web scraping platform. In position number 3, we have something called Gecco. So they do not currently have a website, but they have this is their API. They have a GitHub page, so all the details are over here and how you can go about it. So if you're using Maven, you can simply add the dependency in your pom.xml, and then go ahead, and they have like a simple tutorial on how you can script data. So you can see it's purely Java. The second, and I guess you're guessing it, the second one is gonna be Selenium. If I can spell it, Google will help me. Selenium is in position number 2. So in Selenium, I've used this for testing several websites, but you can use it. This was my favorite browser stack. I use this to check for the responsiveness of websites, but this is something also that you should look into, and see that it supports a couple of languages. So there's Java, and then you see that it supports a bunch of languages. So yeah, this is something that you need to look into as well if you're in need of web scraping and website. And the first one, my friends, ladies and gentlemen, is called Selenium takes position number 2, and Selenium takes position number 2. Now, before we go to position number 1, go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what is your favorite, or what do you think is going to be the number 1 position, the number 1 web scraper in Java. All right. And while you're doing that, go ahead and subscribe down below if you found this helpful, because I have a couple of APIs or libraries in here that I've used and I really loved. Without waiting, without further ado, position number 1 has ZenRows. I've had this on several conferences. It's really nice, and you can see that you can try it for free, but their website is bang on. It's like it supports a couple of other languages, so I guess that's why you can pay for it to get more features. But you can see that it makes things very simple. This is the implementation in Python, but we are interested in Java. Look at that. So you make an API, you create a class for API request, then you create your main function. Then obviously whenever you pull in data from anywhere, you should always throw an exception, because there may be an error. So definitely you're gonna need an API key. You're implementing a string that is gonna hold the API URL. Then obviously you're gonna add you need to get your API. And how can you do that? By signing up. And then string, then this is going to pretty much hold this response. Okay, so you're saying request.get whatever is coming back from that response, then execute, then return the content as a string. Then from there, once you have access to this response, you can do a lot of stuff. Oh, look at this. They say that they have the anti-bot bypass with AI. Make 10 million requests if you wish. Nobody would notice you're a scraper. This is why this is the number 1, because websites like Amazon are not going to allow you. Once they get your IP address, boy, you're going to get into lawsuits. So if their systems recognize that you're web scraping their website, then obviously they are going to send the men in suits on your door. But this can bypass all that, which is really, if you want to track like the price of something, this is gonna be very amazing. So go ahead and try this. You can see that the developer mode is $49. If you have that, go ahead and do that. So I'll link all these links in description below, and let me know if you've tried any of these and which one is your favorite. Did I leave any? Because I am pretty sure there are some honorable mentions like HTML Unit and HTML Easy, but go ahead and let me know in the comments below what you think is the best. Okay, and other than that, see you in the next one.